Today I'm here at, as you can see, Auto Lifestyle Experts. So the owner is Muammar, that's his name, and he's been working on a few beautiful projects. I've come over the years to know him, and through Facebook, especially his posts. But today we're just gonna polish the car basically, so machine polish. This car's never been polished before with a machine. I think the last time it was when it left the spray painter, man, but it wasn't like done, nicely, man. Because when I saw the car initially, the first time when it came from the spray painter, to be honest, I didn't get that wow factor, man. And ever since then, I've just been obviously maintaining the paint, but the paint is starting to fade on the roof, the bonnet, and the fin. So I don't know if that's normal. I don't think so. So it's been about three to 4 years now that I have the car, and I always try to keep my hand on the paint, but for some reason it's just always fading, and then I just have to polish it up again to get that fade away. But yeah, I'm gonna take you through now to the workshop. So if you are interested, his number will be in the description. If you want any spray work done, panel beating, he does a lot of E30s as well. So the two-door especially converted to the eyes, the kit for the rear tailgate and everything. Yeah, let's go inside. So what he's doing today is basically polishing. So I will leave all his details in the description. So he does polishing, spray painting, everything basically. Okay, so here we got the guy shot. Mr. Muammar. How's it? You alright?
Good man.
So what are you doing today?
We're doing a polish.
No?
Polish, yeah, full 3-stage polish, and
Okay.
then we're gonna do a hand glaze when we're done.
Okay. So like I said, then you can also see now, but I don't think you can really see now. In the sun you'll notice, man, but these spots on the paint, man, that's all over the bonnet, and it just gets worse every time. So we're basically gonna sort that out now.
Yeah.
And in the car, the clarity of the paint is now gonna obviously be better.
Yeah, so
The shine and
get the
everything.
shine, take away that fading spots.
Yeah. But the main thing for me is worrying me on the bonnet there.
Yeah. You see, with a 3-stage polish, what that does is it actually just prolongs the lifespan.
Yeah. So it protects it and it also enhances it. So there you can see that's the before now, no? Yeah. Sometimes pictures lie, my brother. People don't see the real the real quality of the paint sometimes, but yeah, I've been trying to manage the paint.
Give me your machine sometime.
But it's only in the sun basically you see it, man, and in
Yeah,
certain
look,
light.
in person, you cannot
Yeah.
see it proper.
But so far it's not too bad. Not yet. Actually, projects here in the making. So this is a rabbit golf, as you can see here. Probably coming for a full restoration, rust removal, interior spray, exterior spray. It's another project that's getting finished off. Two-door E30. You can see there. Not done yet obviously, but in the works. And then we've got this over here. E36. Let's check. 23. So there we have it. No? 2.8. Like I said, you work on a lot of the PMs, especially like the E30s, E36s, and then inside is a almost complete project, no? This one, the E30. This one of the projects is busy with is the E30 325 IS, as you can see. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. It's coming soon out though. But full restoration. Take you around quick. I'm just doing some finishing touches on the car. And you can see, guys busy here. Oppo. How's guys, alright? What's the CD? Baby boss. Yeah, the FAT. That was it. I think this is just touch up on the bumpers. But now this cause they love stove chips on the bumpers especially. Yeah, full spray booth, everything. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this
What a
goes.
waste of love.
Polishing now. This is the first stage, no?
Yes, first stage.
You can see there's a big difference already.
Shining. Yeah,
Oh, we aim stick.
now he's gonna just seal it with a sponge more. And then he's gonna seal it with a hand glaze after that. I got the ceramic also, I'm gonna put the ceramic on the top sleeve so that it
Can keep so long.
can keep it there.
But overall, the paint wasn't that bad. It's mostly the roof moss. Like I said, I do take care of the car, man. It's a mystery what happened to this roof and the bonnet. I don't know.
I think sometime when you get the chance, and we must maybe do some touch-ups and
No?
whatever's needed. Yeah, maybe spray the whole car or something. But the car looks good. It looks
Nah, I take care of the car, man. It's just, like I said, it's a pity, man, for that.
Yeah.
But it's gonna come back, man, as expected, no? After some time. If I don't, obviously.
Let's hope it don't come back.
If I don't maintain it, man.
Yeah,
Like
no,
I do, like,
I'm
hand
sure
polish
the
and
hand
so.
glaze is once a month or so, it will stay away.
Stay on, yeah. But the nice thing of this car, the fenders, man. I like when it shines, so it just have that nice finish. That's it.
Plus the sparkle, you will see it better.
In the
up
sun,
out in
yeah.
the
It's
sun.
a bit of a musty day, but I'll see later. After travel, they under the lights,
Yeah.
with LED lights. Yeah. I love his crusty, young. We'll show that in a future video. It's like a coney roll. See there. But yeah, I'll sort that out in future. Main thing is just getting that fade away. But shot, no?
Looking nice.
Basically the cut. This is the actual polish. And yeah. Farid is gonna make the car shine twice as nice now. I'm super excited. But like you can see there, the reflection is already there. This is basically gonna enhance it more and then basically seal it in. No? Oh, very shukran, bro. So yeah, you can see it's back to OEM spec again. Like I said, it was the bonnet that was bothering me a lot, yo. Like before you could see, and now you can see it's glossy.
Abbas, this kan my Abbas horses go for free.
Yes, yes. And this fin also was fading a lot. Sure.
See, for the same bank details, or what's the usual bank details that they use to pay it?
All the haze gone. It still doesn't do justice on the camera, no?
Yeah.
You have to see it in person, but I'll try my utmost
The
best.
sun is coming a bit out, so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll get some
You'll
sun.
see the color outside. So, yeah. Shukran, my bro.
Have fun.
There you have it. Like I said, the lip is not the lip is ripped. The lip is very crusty. It looks like a coney roll, but we'll sort that out in future. Believe it or not, I have this lip on for more than 6 to 7 years. I've just obviously been fixing it up and so on. The reason being, this lip was made for the car, for the bumper, and is molded to the bumper, you see. So other STI lips that you buy from people don't fit the same, and so that's one of the reasons I always save this lip. But you can see the paint. There was a lot of fade on the bonnet, but not to be negative or anything, but I am expecting it to come back. This is just something you can't, save when it comes to certain things on the paint. Although I have been trying to keep my eye on it, but let's see. Hopefully it keeps for a very long time. And the overall, the car just got a quick wash today by the workshop. So I'm gonna be washing the car again, and then putting on some SS diagnostics, next spray wax just to finish it off. But like you can see, car is fairly full of clarity again. Paint is full of clarity. Fin was also fading a bit, but yeah, fin and the boot was fading. And then yeah, this is like small stuff, man, which will be sorted out in future. And then you can see the roof as well. The roof is full of clarity again. There was a bit of a haze on the roof, but yeah, anyways, here's the car. Lighting is nice, the scenery is nice, and it just pops that color so nicely. And I just want to say big shukran again to Muammar for sorting the car out. It's not gonna be the most perfect of paint, but it did enhance the paint. There needs to be a few touch-ups on the car, but like you said, might be a full respray even. But let's see how that goes in future. But for now, I'm super happy for the car, getting it ready for La Barang or for Eid. So the car is gonna be shining, and I'm super grateful. So if you want to make contact with Muammar, just go down below here. You'll see all the details. So spray painting, polishing, buffing, cut and polish, etc., etc. Anything. And like I said, he works on a lot of E30s as well. So ISs, the E30 cabriolets, E30 two doors, E30 four doors, any car. But yeah, hit him up, cool guy. So super grateful, and thank you to everyone. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next one.